sleds for a ride. I just want the sled to take me out. Make sure you get a good grip on it so it doesn't slide down all the way into the river there. It's like a bobsled run there. Oh, we made the corner. I made the bobsled corner. Olympic ice boat racing. And right now we're breaking the ice around the stern of the boat and getting the boom out of the way. It's not leaking anyway. It's just going to be in our way. Don't fall in. All right, we're gonna have to get that. We have to get that and scoop it out of there. I think the rest of this stuff we can work around in little chunks here. Yeah. That's because I can put it on, and then I can use this other line to go over it. This frozen rope. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Whoa! What was that? Oh, thanks. While I was walking across the plank here. Yeah, you're okay. I almost fucking fell in, but you're okay. I think once we lift a little, we should be able to push this boat forward. The 2 feet, 3 feet, it's got to go. Yep. So put that in a separate slot, Ken. Yeah, forward. There you go. Yeah. You got it? I don't want to flip over and break the motor off. You're still putting air in, Ken? In the bow? Coming up, dude, to the bow? And the only thing holding it is that dock line right there until now. We're hooking it until now it's hooked to the bag, to the strap, to the shackle. And we're thinking about doing is getting another line from the motor, around the bracket, around the bottom of the sponson, and over to that cleat. We pull all the winch line out, then we could cut that if we had to, right? Enough to go over to that dead man over there, around the bottom of the sponson.
The angle's going to be wrong on that.
The angle's going to be wrong going over to that, to that. The angle's worse on the tree. All right, worst case scenario, we go to a couple other cleats down the dock, Teach. You like the sand that I got from Alan Hull? I didn't get the bill yet. No. Ah, I had a 50-50 shot at it. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. All right. I can't get the key out. I'm gonna need something to hold this door up, boys. Here, hold it for a second. There's a stick right here. Got it? Yeah. I'm dropping on my head. A little higher. A little higher. Okay, good. Good, let it go. Okay. We're gonna need a something to bust the ice with. Oh, he was putting on that. He's got a suit like that. Water's pumping. Around the water level. If it starts going down, we'll be good. If not, we gotta get a bigger pump. Pull it back a little bit. There you go. That's beautiful, Eric. Deej, we're gonna come along this line that I got that went underneath the sponson to the cleat on the other side. So we can start actually winching the boat this way if we want to from underneath at the same time as we're doing that, right? we're gonna take the big block, the shiv block that I have, and we're gonna put it on the bracket on the dock. So that we're gonna go like this, we're gonna pull down and back up to the winch on the truck. Like that idea? Roger that. What do you think, Eric? Eric says thumbs up. Glad I brought the pickaxe. I was thinking about it. I'm like, let's bring a pickaxe too. Try and bust through from the other side there now. Yeah. Good enough so I can stick my hands in that ice cold water now and get that chain through? Yeah, maybe. Just clip that on. Okay, leave it right there. That's what they call a frozen rope right there, buddy. There you go. Hold it, hold it. We gotta help it up over the dock there, huh? Alright, go ahead, Ken. Pump stopped running. No, leave it running, Deej. Yeah, leave it running. Oh, let's have him go just a little bit more. Okay. Watch out, Deej.
Good.
It's all right. It's all right. Leave it right there. Let the water come out of it.
Yep. All that icy shit in there.
That water, you know what? It may have more water going into that spot because remember, it's got that hole in there. You know what I'm saying?